Welcome. For today's practice, we're going to do a breathing check-in or a body glance. And it's important that you find a position where you have a balance between relaxation and attentiveness. So take some time now to find a position that is most comfortable for you. And once you settle in, if you need more time, feel free to hit pause and return when you're ready. Once you settle in, you don't have to breathe in a certain way or make your breath big and impressive. You simply want to notice with curiosity, with an inquisitiveness rather than a desire to get it right. This isn't a pass-fail exercise. So dropping any ideas about how you think you should breathe, and instead acknowledge whatever you can feel and sense. So make any last changes to your posture. Be closing the eyes. If you're a tactile person, you might rest the hands on the body, maybe one on the chest, one below the navel. And as you're ready, I'm going to drop in a few questions. Again, with that inquiry, that curiosity. There's no way to do this wrong. Just observing what's here for you in this moment. Where do you feel your breathing? Is there a physical location, an epicenter, an anchor of breath in the body? Again, not manipulating, not trying to make anything happen. Simply observing the body being breathed. And noticing the speed or rate of your breathing. Is it fast or slow or somewhere in between? Could even count the number of breaths you take in a minute or have a friend do it for yourself now or later on. And on average, 10 to 14 breaths per minute is normal. And is there a noticeable difference between the length of your inhalation and exhalation? Or are they balanced, equal? Does the breath feel deep or shallow? Not trying to make your breath more impressive. Need to deepen or try to lengthen. Simply watch. And lastly, what does your breathing feel like? If you could describe the quality of your breath, what word or words would you use? What does your breathing feel like? Now allow yourself to completely relax. Focusing on the breath takes energy. Take a few moments now to let yourself rest before merging back into your day.